In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Wix blog post flickering issue. If you've been encountering a situation where your Wix blog posts seem to flicker or glitch when viewed, don't worry because this guide will help you resolve that problem in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and ensure your blog runs smoothly once more. To begin, you'll need to access your browser settings. This may vary slightly depending on the browser you're using like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, but the general steps are quite similar across platforms. In most browsers, you can find the settings by clicking on the menu icon, which usually appears in the top right corner of the browser window. Once you locate that menu, click on it and look for an option that says Settings or Preferences, depending on your browser's language. Now, once you're in the settings, we're going to focus on clearing your browsing data, cache, and cookies. This is important because sometimes files stored in the cache can cause issues with how web pages are displayed. Think of the cache like a temporary storage space that holds data to help your browser load pages more quickly the next time you visit them. Over time, however, it can collect outdated or corrupted files that might be causing your Wix post to flicker. Look for the section in your browser settings that allows you to manage your browsing data. In Chrome, this is typically under Privacy and Security. Here, you'll see an option to clear browsing data. When you click on Clear Browsing Data, you'll usually be presented with several options. You can choose to clear only certain aspects like cache and cookies, or all browsing data depending on your needs. For now, let's focus on clearing the cache and cookies. Make sure those options are selected and then proceed to clear them. While this action might log you out of some websites, it's a crucial step to ensure the issue doesn't persist. So be sure to take note and save any important information you might need to log back in later. After you've cleared your browsing data, go ahead and try accessing your Wix site again. Load up your blog post and see if the flickering issue is resolved. In many cases, clearing cache and cookies can quickly smooth out issues like flickering because it forces the browser to fetch new data from websites instead of relying on potentially outdated or corrupt local files. And there you have it, a straightforward solution to fix that pesky flickering issue on your Wix blog posts. If clearing the cache and cookies doesn't solve the problem, it might be worth checking for updates in your browser or contacting Wix support for further assistance. But more often than not, this method will alleviate the issue and get your website running seamlessly once more. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful troubleshooting tips.